What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Sometimes people write in my comment section, they say, what's bad? What's bad? Or what's sad? What's sad? Guys, if you have that much money in crypto that it affects your emotions and your life, it's too much money. If you're spending your grocery money investing into these coins, or if you're not taking care of your pet Hammy, the hamster, that's too much, guys, okay? What has Hammy done to you besides show you some love? So we're gonna go over our friend Polygon. Currently we're sitting at 90 cents. We met our tactical target from our symmetrical triangle, so that was a nice trade opportunity. Hope you guys got in on that. Shout out to the ones who did. We're currently sitting at a market cap of 5.71 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 428 million. So let's hop straight into it, guys. Hope you're having a terrific morning, evening, afternoon, or night. So we're going to start here on the daily. So you can see here we lost that $1 key level of support, and we also lost our previous swing high here at 94 cents. And when you lose the swing high, you target the swing low, which is down here at around 74 cents, which will create a deeper C wave correction here. So let's pop over to the 4-hour chart. So we had our symmetrical triangle, guys, and you can see our target was met absolutely perfectly. So that was a beautiful trade opportunity of about, wow, 16-17% short trade opportunity there. And if you're trading with leverage, could be much more. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, please check out my full length tutorial for Bybit on how to trade with leverage short and long. All right, guys, so you can see here, once we came down to that 87 cents, we were trending into oversold. We had a little bit of bounce. However, we weren't able to break above 94 cents, which was our previous swing high. And when you cannot break above the previous swing high, you start backtesting it as resistance. Then, just as I said, you have to target your swing low, which is down here at 74 cents, which is where our wick came down here back on May 24th, May 23rd. So that is our target. Now, if we were to see a little bit of bounce, our key levels of resistance would be back here at 94 cents, which is the previous swing high. And then we have that $1, which was a huge level of support over the last month or so, and that $1.22 that we've been covering on the channel. And if we look here on the weekly chart, you can see, let me open this up on the weekly. We're starting to break underneath the 20 EMA. So going into next week, if we see our weekly candle starting to close below the 20 EMA, do expect that 74 cents level of support. That will be our next target to the downside here, as we are in a downtrend, guys. So of course, right now the bears are in control. We're underneath the EMAs. Now here on the hourly, I'll pop it open on the hourly. We may see a little bit of a double bottom, not promised, guys, but it's just a small pattern that I was seeing may form. So if you see price start to come down here, let me grab my brush and find some support in this area, and you see a little bit of a bounce here, we'll drop in our neckline. Now trading the uptrend, trading these bounces, entering longs is a little bit more risky right now, in my opinion, just because we're in a downtrend, we're having shady volume. So we've been seeing many fake outs. So that's something to keep in mind when you're entering your long trades. But if you do see a little bit of a bounce and we do break this neckline, that could bring us up here to about $1.05. However, if you do see us just continue to roll, if we come down, we break that support, we just continue to roll. That next target is down there at 74 cents. All right, guys. So we'll quickly pop open Ethereum here. So we're here on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum. You can see we lost that crucial level of support at 2034. We had support here, resistance here, support here. It was a major level that we've been covering on the channel, and you can see we back tested as resistance right here, and we continued to see that roll over. Now I've taken my Fibonacci here. I'll pull it out because we've had a little bit of a bounce. So I've gone swing low up to swing high to give us our levels of support. And you can see here we're trying to hold the 0.5 as support. So if we start to lose this level and the golden ratio, do expect us to come down to this level here, back to where we started, about 1865, and I had dropped down that target at 1815. We can see the support in this area, and it's very close to the 1.272 extension, which is of course a high likelihood when price breaks the golden ratio, as I talk about all the time on this channel, which is at 1822. And if we do see that bounce, guys, obviously the bears have the advantage right now. You can see we are hitting resistance on the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart. You can see we've been hitting resistance on the 20 EMA here on the 4 hours since about July 9th, July 8th. So it's been a full week now that we've been hitting resistance on the 20 EMA. So if that continues, then you can see that continuation down to these prices. But if we were back to bounce from the 0.5, if we saw some bullish volume, if we got back above the 20 EMA here on the 4 hour, your levels of resistance are back here at 2334, that major level of support resistance in this area. And then also 2081, you can see support here. You see the support in this area as well, if you do see that little bit of a bounce. But of course, we are seeing the shady volume. The bears have been in control for basically 2 months now. I wouldn't say that they have a strong control, because we aren't seeing that increase in bearish volume. We're only seeing small increases in volume to the downside or to the upside. Not enough to push us straight into a bear market, and not enough to get us back going on this bull run. Just this consolidation, this trading sideways, this boring action. But there are these trades that you can make, like that awesome trade here for Matic, which was about a 16-17% trade from our symmetrical triangle here down to 87 cents. And I would definitely recommend checking out the Discord, where I'm posting chart patterns so you can stay ahead on these trades. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button if you got some value. You know those future price targets, the 1.616, which is at $6, and of course that guesstimate we all want to see for Matic up at $10. But we do have that technical target from the 1.618, which is at $6. All right, guys, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I haven't been too active on social because I'm on vacay, but definitely check out the Discord. I would definitely recommend it, as I do post chart patterns in there, especially for Bitcoin. So the master energy. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.